Okay, question 10, we have data about enthalpy change when 1 mole and 1 gram of each ether is completely combusted. Okay, calculate the enthalpy change of combustion when 1 gram of oxide then burns. Okay, so you do this calculation. Okay, so to calculate the enthalpy change of combustion for 1 gram, right, we first need to find the number of moles in 1 gram of this ether. Okay, so number of moles is 1 divided by the MR, which is 74. So you have 0.0135135 moles. We take that multiply by the enthalpy change. That will give us the enthalpy change kilojoules per gram. Okay, so basically the heat given out 36.8 for 1 gram of ether combusted. Explain why the values are all negative. Combustion, of course, negative lah, because there's more energy released from the bond forming than the energy that's absorbed for bond breaking. So all combustion are exothermic. Enthalpy change of combustion increases from methoxide methane to ethoxide ethane. Suggests why, because there is more carbon and hydrogen to form more carbon dioxide and water molecules. So combustion of enthalpy change of combustion is more negative, right? One characteristics of a homologous series is that the property shows a trend. Okay, describe the trend you will expect for two properties of ether as it increases in size. Enthalpy change of combustion must not be one of the properties. Okay, so as they get larger, right, the melting point should actually decrease. So flammability decreases. Boiling point will increase because more uh, intermolecular forces of attraction. Viscosity will increase, again, more intermolecular force of attraction. Flash point increases. Okay. For E, draw the dot and cross for methoxide methane. So this one is fairly straightforward. The oxygen is in the middle, is flanked by 2 carbon dioxide, and then the carbon has one single bond to all the H. Suggest why the enthalpy change of combustion for the two isomers are different. Okay, so for these two isomers, right, ethanol and also methoxide methane, okay, they have different types of bonds, right? Ethanol has CC and OH. Dimethyl ether has CO bond. Okay, so different amount of energy are needed when these bonds, different types of bonds are broken.